Winter is coming, which means one thing.
White Walkers?
What? No. It's citrus season. Winter doesn't have to be dark and full of terrors. Let's brighten up those castles with today's recipe, lemon cakes, inspired by George R.R. Martin's A Song of Ice and Fire.
To get started, you'll need 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, 2 tablespoons lemon zest, 3/4 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup room temperature butter, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 lemons thinly sliced and seeded, and 2.5 cups of flour. First things first, throw some logs in the oven to make sure it preheats to 350 degrees. In your favorite cauldron, combine lemon slices, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and boil for about 15 minutes. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and stir to combine. In a separate bowl, use your magic hand mixer to beat the butter and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Find your most trusted servant and have them slowly add your dry ingredients. And last, add the buttermilk. In a greased muffin pan, place your candied lemon slices at the bottom of each cup. Spoon the batter over the top, careful not to get them too full, or else they'll turn into muffins instead of cakes. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cakes are firm and golden. While your cakes are cooking, mix together your remaining lemon juice and sugar. Once your cakes have cooled, poke holes in the tops and then slowly pour the juice over the cakes. Let those sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to absorb the juiciness. Carefully turn out the cakes so that the lemon side is up, and voila! Beautiful lemon cakes.
Sweet, tangy, and delicious. Make these lemon cakes in your own castle, and I promise they'll be way more satisfying than the Game of Thrones series.